Hi and welcome to this new video from J Rich. In this video, I'm going to talk about my plan to scale 5 websites up over the next week and a bit, and show you the whole process from start to finish. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the training. So for those of you interested in the one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the links below and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola Adsense campaigns. So the plan and the process we're going to go through is we're going to create 5 sub-accounts, and then we're going to launch 5 brand new Adsense websites on each of those accounts, and we're going to scale up each one. I'm going to show you the process from start to finish so you can see the results for yourself, and obviously I can help you be more successful in your Taboola Adsense businesses. So as you can see here, it's just an examples of a few websites we had launched. This one was launched on December 11th, and as you can see, it went from 19 cents all the way up to 144 to 147, and we was at 100 a day within a few days. And then if you remember, the other website we had launched as well just recently, it's another new website. On day one it had spent €38, and it had got back 78, as you can see here, and then 53. So you can see the process as we go through on these new websites. As you see on Thursday the 29th, this website had no traffic, no clicks or anything, and then obviously we've launched the campaigns, as you can see here, and started that process. So again, we're going to do this with 5 more websites, and we're going to go through each part of the process so you can see how it's done from an overview standards, and you can see the results as we scale this up. So the objectives and the plan is to do the launches on Thursday. Once we do the launches on Thursday, we're going to then obviously I'll be breaking it down, how we launch the campaigns, how we manage this websites, how we set it all up, so you can see the whole process and you can see even more proof and more scale of how this business would operate on scale. So again, for those of you interested in the one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please reach out to me via the links below and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola Adsense campaigns. So this is the process we go through when we're launching our new websites. It allows us to scale pretty fast and quickly to higher amounts of money. And it's good, obviously, to have the diversification and then the multiple income streams. And by having that multiple profitable income streams, you're able to create results like you see in front of your face. Scaling fast, quickly to higher amounts of income and so on. So you can see, refreshing the page, and you're able to just add more and more websites. And obviously, that's one website. And then you go here to another website that we just launched as well. See how quickly, day one, Friday the 30th, £78, and we had spent with the other website we had launched, €38. So you can see the return on investment, the ROI is pretty high, it's pretty solid, it's consistent. Obviously it can fluctuate, like what I said, from 100% ROI all the way up to 3x ROI depending on the spend. So if we check the 15th of December, we had spent €42 and got back $144. So imagine that. And that was starting off from a starting point of 0, and within 1, 2, 3, 4 days, we're 100 a day profit from this website. Some of them will go up to 30, 40 a day, some of them will go up to 100, 150. That's why you build more, that's why you build multiple websites. So again, for those of you interested in the one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the links below and I'll be happy to help you. And also for those of you interested in working with me, partnering with me, and actually we'll build the websites together, set up the accounts together. You invest the cash and you'll use my team and my resources, and we partner up to create results like this. Just let me know via the links below. So again, the process is we're going to build the websites, create them, and get the sub-accounts by Thursday. We're going to launch 5 new websites on these sub-accounts, and then we're going to show you the profits and the results of them. And then I'm going to break them down over a period of time. So the next video, I'll be updating you on how far we've got with the websites, how far we've got with the accounts, and then obviously on Thursday we're going to launch them and start getting that profits coming in from these new businesses. Again, thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in this video. Thank you.